Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best Monopoly Go reward codes in 2026. This is the fastest method to get free dice in Monopoly Go. You can actually get 100,000 free dice rolls, which is going to save you a bunch of money. Now, it doesn't explicitly say what codes you, what these in-app purchases are, but yeah, basically, guys, these cost like a bunch of money to get free dice, and I've actually managed to find a Monopoly Go reward code that's going to get you 100,000 free dice. This does work in 2026, and it is a simple reward code that you can enter into the Monopoly Go website. So let's go ahead and show you there. So it's on the official website. You'll enter the code into this box once you sign into your game, and it is going to supply you with 100,000 free dice. Before I show you how to get these codes, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe for more. So what you need to do, guys, is use your mobile internet browser. So I recommend just using the mobile phone that you play Monopoly Go on. And what you're going to want to do is go to www.crashcoupons.com. So it is very important you type it like this, Crash Coupons. And if you type it correctly, you're going to be brought to a game code website. Now, what you need to do is use the search bar at the top of the page. It's going to save you from scrolling through hundreds of pages. So go to Monopoly Go. This is the rewards codes page. You can see a bunch of people have been using this, and it is very highly rated. I'm going to give it 5 stars because I have actually already done this morning. So yeah, basically you need to scroll down and find the 100,000 free dice redeem code. So this is a reward code, guys. And you can see these are limited. There's 297 remaining. So I won't do it again because, like I said, I have already done this morning. And these are one-time use codes. So once you get your code, make sure you use it for yourself. Don't give it to a friend or anything, because once it's been redeemed, it will then be invalid. So like I said, these are limited codes. So it does mean you need to unlock your Monopoly Go reward code. And it's pretty easy to do that, guys. Just got to click on this button, follow the instructions on this page. Basically, I'm going to skip through this. You need to complete 2 of the tasks below. They're all completely free. Make sure you do follow the instructions, because basically that tells you how to complete each task. They're really easy. It does take about 5 minutes. Once you do that, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Monopoly Go reward code will be revealed here. Simply redeem it in the Monopoly Go website where I showed you. Let's try and find it again. There we go. Enter it into the reward codes field in this box once you log in, and that is going to get you 100,000 free dice. So really easy, guys. Head on over to Crash Coupons, and once you reach the page, of course, search for the Monopoly Go reward code and select it. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.